Hi everyone, welcome to YourPedia. This is Chandrasekhar, Faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at YourPedia. This video is related to BHEL ET Engineering Trainee Interview Preparation. Okay, so the shortlisting is out. The date of interview is also mentioned, right? So the date of interview is on 14th of July onwards. So not much time is left. Okay, only 3-4 days are left for you. The interview is going to start. Interview is there on 14th of July, right? So this video is related to the important subjects that you have to prepare for your BHEL interview. Right after this, I will be giving you the important questions, not important questions exactly, to speak the previously asked questions from these subjects. Right, 10 questions previously asked. Also, I will be giving along with the solution of each question. In fact, it is not solution; it is the explanation, because it is an interview question. Theory questions only, interview questions. For every question, there are some 50 previously asked questions that also will discuss. Right, along with the explanation, that document will be provided to you. Right, so the important subjects for your BHEL interview preparation in the branch of electrical engineering are the very first subject. Yes, it is electrical machines. Yes, see, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. The main job of this BHEL is to manufacture electrical equipments like transformers, synchronous machines, induction machines, right? All these machines, and I can say big transmission equipments. A lot of electrical equipments they are manufacturing. Therefore, electrical machines is one of the very important subject. Then it goes to power systems, power electronics, right? And then I can say control systems. Yes, sir. Why? What is the importance of control systems in BHEL interview? Because most of the machinery are having control systems installed in it for its work, right? How control systems are used. See, whenever there is a big equipment, that equipment will work with a control action, right? So that's why having basic knowledge of control systems is important. Power electronics, yes, power electronics is also very important. Devices like IGBT, MOSFET, SCR, the difference, they'll ask you why sometimes IGBT is preferred over MOSFET. When MOSFET is preferred, I'm talking about power IGBT, power MOSFET, not signal level. Signal level are important for EC graduates, but for us it is IGBT, MOSFET, SCR, these things. And the last but not the least subject is electrical measurements. In electrical measurements, very important topic is CTPT. Yes, CTPT, MEGR. These three, definitely one question in whatever the interview, electrical interview you are going for, there will be, for sure there will be a question from CT and PT. Right, especially CT. See, CT, where it is used, how it is used. So these are the 5 subjects. In each subject also, what are the important areas to concentrate, I'll be telling you here. In electrical machines, there is no doubt all 4 machines are important, but the most important one is transformer, then induction machine, then synchronous machine. These days, least priority will be given for DC machine, because DC machines are finding less applications compared to AC machines. I won't say that DC machine is not having any use. It is having a lot of applications, but its applications are day by day reducing because of the advancement in the power electronics technology. Olden days in traction, DC series motor was used, but all DC series motor, I can say electro locomotives are getting replaced with the induction motors because of the advancement in technology. See, speed control of induction motor was difficult olden days, but these days drives, power electronic drives got developed, right? So the sequence of machines is transformer, induction, synchronous, then you go for DC. So in transformer, yes, transformer, electrical equivalent circuit, transformer maximum efficiency, transformer voltage regulation, right? The difference between 3 single phase transformer bank and 1 3-phase transformer grounding methods, right? Especially test, what are the different types of test? Okay, some special tests will be there. Sampanna test is there, OC test is there, SC test is there, tan delta test is there, right? I can say polarity test is there. The polarity test is very important. In gate examination it is not important for gate examination, for other exam, but polarity test is very important practically. Why? Because first we do polarity test, then we are going to use that transformer, otherwise it is not at all used, right? So next is power electronics. In power electronics, about the devices, which device, what is the application, when it is used, what is the rating of the device practically. So power electronics electronics, phase control rectifiers, especially inverters and choppers, DC to DC converters, AC to DC to AC converters are very, very important, right? Then power electronic drives, the last part, VFD, VVFD, right? These are very, very, very important. One must have very good knowledge. So along with these subjects now, one must have some knowledge at least about SCADA, right? Then if you go to power systems, power system protection is very, very important. Power system protection. Then power system, I can say transmission and power generation, which generator is used in hydroelectric power plant. This kind of questions, generally randomly the questions will be asked, right? Control systems, in control systems, the very important thing is stability criteria. Like many methods are there, like RH is there, Bode plot is there, Polar is there, Nyquist is there, root locus method is there, right? And very, very important thing is controllers, P, PD, PID, right? PI, these controllers, steady state error, these areas are very, very important, right? Then next is electrical measurements, as I told you, CT, PT, and about the voltmeters, ammeters, different types of errors that we encounter when doing this measurement and all these things. So these are the 5 important subjects and areas you have to concentrate on in each of these subjects, right? YourPedia is the only platform which mentors the students for interview preparation. YourPedia started its mentoring for this interview preparation. You can join with YourPedia to accelerate your preparation towards this BHEL interview preparation, right? In the next video, I'll be discussing the previous interview questions that were asked from each subject. At least 10 questions I will be discussing, right? If you have any queries, or if you want to join the module, you can call to the number that is mentioned in the description box. Thank you and all the best.